There's a secret garden in every city. It's not on maps. It's not in blogs. You won't find it in travel guides. Only a few wanderers stumble upon it. Those who observe more than they scroll. Inside, there's something magical: colors, sounds, stories, untouched. Now pause. What if your Instagram content was that hidden garden? What if your post, just one post, became that rare find, stumbled upon by thousands on the Explore page every single day? Because that's not a fantasy. It's a blueprint. Today, you'll unlock the exact steps to make your post the hidden treasure in Instagram's Explore page. And no, this isn't the typical use trending audio advice. This is deeper, more strategic, and built to connect with how Instagram actually works in 2025. Here's the kicker. You're doing everything right. Great visuals? Check. Consistent posting? Check. Hashtags? You've read 15 guides already? But you post, and it's like shouting into an empty tunnel. Nothing echoes back. No likes. No saves. No new followers. Just silence. Everyone blames the algorithm. But here's the twist most creators never hear. Instagram's Explore page doesn't care how great your post looks. It cares about how long people stay with it. Yes, over 30 ranking signals determine whether your content ends up on Explore. But guess what most creators miss? Two crucial ones. Watch time, yes, even for carousels and photos. Engagement quality, not just the number, but how people engage. Let me introduce you to Ria. She's a content creator, an ACCA dropout who shifted to fashion content. For 6 months, she posted religiously. Her outfits were fire, her aesthetics perfect. But not once did she hit Explore. Then one day, she changed one thing. And boom. From 1K impressions to over 478K views, in less than 72 hours. We'll come back to that. But just know, what she did is not complicated. It's just rarely discussed. And that's exactly what we're dissecting today. Here's something most people don't know. Instagram doesn't care how pretty your post is. It cares how long people stick around. Ria, remember her? Used to post amazing outfit pics that got likes, but nothing else. Then she tried short reels that looped so smoothly, people watched twice without realizing. That's when she exploded. Bottom line? More time equals more Explore. Not more likes. The first 60 minutes can make or break you. Instagram watches your post closely in the first hour. If no one's saving, commenting, or clicking, your post is dead on arrival. Here's what works. DM a small group right after posting, micro-community. Use fast CTAs like, swipe, then comment your favorite, or tag someone before this blows up. Those first 60 minutes? They're like launch control. Use them right, and Explore takes off. Here's what's wild. If people keep visiting your profile, Instagram sees you as interesting and relevant. That alone can boost your chances of hitting Explore. How to get more profile taps. Add curiosity in your captions, more in my bio. Use pinned carousels with relatable stories. Create reels that tease something personal or valuable on your profile. It's not about the post, it's about making them want more of you. Creators who use only reels or only carousels miss out. Instagram pushes creators who use all three. Reels equals reach. Carousels equals attention. Stories equals trust. Ria posted a reel that did 200K views. But she added stories right after to continue the story, and that's where people DM'd her. Followed, and shared. Using formats together makes the algorithm go, yep, they're serious. Ria used one trick that tripled her saves. I'll share it at the end. Stay with me. Top creators use this system weekly, and keep hitting Explore without guessing. You'll find a free checklist in the description. Reel CTAs, post timings, and the DM template I use. Comment below the post you thought would go viral, but didn't. Let's help each other win. Not complain. Because here, we beat the algorithm. Together. Alright, you've waited. You've followed Ray's quiet struggle, from no reach to near viral. But what exactly flipped the switch? It wasn't better lighting. It wasn't luck. It was this. She mastered two things. Seamless reels loops. Keyword-rich captions that worked, even with sound off. Let's break it down. She created reels that started and ended on the same visual, a soft, natural loop. Viewers didn't even realize it restarted, so they watched again. And again. That alone multiplied her watch time. No transitions. No fancy edits. Just a story that never felt like it ended. Then, the caption. She started writing for silent scrollers. Instead of saying, OOTD hashtag fashion, she wrote, 3 ways I style oversized blazers for work, coffee dates, and random, I need to look like ACCA, days. Specific, relatable, keyword rich. That's what the algorithm scans. Yes, it reads your captions like Google does. So now, with more watch time optimized text, Ria wasn't just showing up on Explore, she was staying there. This is your pivot moment too. How you can trigger the Explore page, starting tonight. Step 1. Make your reel loop friendly. Start with a movement or frame that can also end the video. Don't end with a fade, end on motion. And make the first 3 seconds scroll proof, show action immediately. Remember, the loop isn't for the edit. It's for the viewer's subconscious. If it feels incomplete, they'll watch again. And that's a win. Step 2. Post at peak time, not guest time. Use smart scheduling tools like Recur Post or Metricool, affiliate mention here. Schedule content when your audience is already active. Bonus, these tools give you real-time engagement heat maps so you're not guessing anymore. Instagram doesn't just reward content, it rewards timing. And tools help you beat time strategically. Step 3. Use balanced hashtags. Mix broad niche hashtags. Example. Hashtag OOTD, hashtag Dubai outfit style, hashtag neutral tones. Use location tagging even if you're not a local brand, it's for reach. Geo niche equals precision visibility. Think less viral, more visible to the right people. Step 4. Engagement triggers in hour 1. Drop a specific CTA in your caption and story. Examples. Comment your favorite look. Reply to my story poll if this is you. DM your microcircle right after posting. Share it to your story with intentional text, like do not watch this if you're not ready to argue eyes. The algorithm is basically watching with popcorn. Give it a reason to bet on you. You've just seen exactly how one change can flip the switch. This isn't about hacking a platform. It's about earning your place in the Explore garden, where Instagram rewards those who understand what it truly values. Let your content feel like treasure. Let your strategy feel like design, not desperation. Your next post could be the one that hits Explore. Not by chance, by choice. You now hold the blueprint. So if you're serious about growing, subscribe for strategies your competitors hope you never find. And real quick, what's the one thing keeping your content from blowing up? Drop it in the comments. I'm reading everyone, and the next video might just fix yours. Because here, we don't guess Instagram, we engineer it.